So it was yesterday morning I uncovered my car, only to uncover this. All the way, nice big crack. Now it started with a little stone chip there, just like the other one you see about there where my finger is, if I can get that on camera. Just there. Now I went to the glass repair companies. How do I turn this screen around? Hold on. Now I went to the glass repair company through my insurance to get the free windscreen repair filler, so you can get little chips filled for free. And they said put a pound coin next to it so we can see the size. So took a picture of it, sent it back to them, and they said, "Sorry, it's too small. We can't do anything with that." And I thought, well, okay. Hope it doesn't get any worse. So there's a couple of chips like that, including the one in the bottom corner there, which, as you can see, has got a whole lot worse. Now, that was due to some potholes in the road, which were terrible and unavoidable because I had traffic behind me, oncoming traffic, and they were across the road, so I just couldn't swerve them. So hit the pothole and crack. So one of those stone chips went straight into that crack that you saw earlier. So yes, they're coming to replace the glass, and I'm going to film that, as you'll see in a minute. And am I a bit annoyed? Yeah, because it could have been avoided. And I've got to pay £100 excess. I know that's cheap for a whole new windscreen, but still, it's annoying. So just at Autoglass, I'm waiting for my car. I can't actually film inside the depot, but the lads were great and they let me film the car going in the depot, so top lads, thanks very much. So the guys at Autoglass brought me into the depot just to show me that they think the reason why the glass shattered was the windscreen's been replaced before, and they've put too much glue, particularly in the corner where it's gone. Mate, this would have took me 4 hours on the road. Yep. So the guys at Autoglass have just finished the job, and I've got to sit here now for sort of half an hour and sort of let it set. There's a combination of issues that potentially caused the screen to crack. One was it had a little stone chip and it hit a bloody great big pothole, which didn't help at all, which obviously caused the crack.
but it would have gone anyway, they think, because of the excessive amount of glue that was in the passenger side bottom left corner from when a previous windscreen replacement. And also around the rim is very rusty, and they think it's sort of the rust bubbling up in that corner that wouldn't help. So it's a whole combination of things that's caused it to go. It really needs grinding off and respray, and I do actually want to get some areas touched up and a partial respray. If I show you, I'm not too happy about me just flip the screen round. I'm not too happy about these. See it bubbling here and bubbling there. So when I get these rubbed down, at the same time I'll get the screen taken out and get the rim. So that's a job for the future. I want to have a partial respray on it because there's a few little marks just to make it perfect for me. Anyway, thanks for watching, and a lot of my subscribers don't actually watch my videos, so please subscribe, please like the video, because it really helps with the algorithm and to get this video and the channel out there. So yeah, thanks a lot guys, and just a few bits to hoover up, but all in all, pretty clean job. So the lads at Autoglass did say they wish they had longer to spend on it and to spend on older cars, because very much Autoglass cater for the more modern, newer car, that it's simply just take the windscreen out and replace it, and there's less sort of, like you saw, any rust or issues to clean up. But hey, that's what you get with old cars, and we still want to keep them on the road. So if Autoglass do watch this, then I really appreciate your work that you've done today, and yeah, keep the old cars going. I'll see you again soon in the next video. Cheers now.